YouTube, what's going on? So in today's video, we will be utilizing Nepeto software to find some products online. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we will be doing is setting up our filters. So let's say you want to look into the grocery category, right? So category, select grocery. For our minimum price or maximum price to pay for something, I'll just put about 20 bucks. Return on my investment, the minimum 25%. BSR, your best sales rank, which indicates how popular this product is in Amazon's catalog. I need a max of 150K, and then click on that one more time. And for the top BSR, which stands for the percentage of that category, so percentage of grocery category, I like to be in the top 0 or 1%. So we're gonna put the top 1% for the max, but don't always sleep on 2% though. But I like 0 to 1. Then next we will filter out if Amazon is one of the sellers. Must have a buy box, no private label brands, and then let's click more filters here. Now for our minimum profit, let's do $2 for grocery. I'll take $2 grocery any day of the week if it's a high volume product. That stuff add up pretty quickly. Now for your sales tax, enter in your state sales tax, and then let's get up out of there for now. All right, now. Okay, so now all of these products will generate based on the filters you just entered in. So let's look at. So we found these Jenny's organic coconut bites right here. So the good thing about Nepeto is it pinpoints you directly to that website that is selling this product. So Vitacost is selling this product, right? Grocery and gourmet foods. For our BSR, it's at 30K, top 0% of the category, which is amazing, right? Next, you have your ASIN, right? Your ASIN. It shows if it has variations or any multi-packs. You can get this product for $4.22, right? And it's currently selling on Amazon at $14.42 Buybox. We got 4 people selling it, 2 FBA sellers and 2 FBM sellers, profiting roughly $213 and a 38% ROI. So let's actually go to Vitacost to see if it's actually selling for this price at $4.22. So once we get to Vitacost, we see that it is selling for $4.22, right? And also, if you subscribe to auto ship, you get it for $4.01. The good thing about auto ship is you can always cancel the subscription, right? And then next, we also see that we get cash back, a 1.2% cash back. Actually, 3% with with Rakuten. So let's activate that. We gotta maximize as much as we can. We gotta, get everything back. So let's activate that. And we're also getting 20% off. So if we spin the wheel here, we can get 20% off. Up to 20% off. Okay, boom. So we do get 20% off. All you gotta do, enter in your email, yada, yada, yada. So we currently at $4.01. So let's go back. And now let's actually look this product up in the Nepeto extension. So right click, search in Nepeto. Okay, so now our product has shown, as you can see, top 0% of grocery and gourmet foods, sales rank 30K, variation sales, it sells roughly estimated 300 times a month, which is amazing. So let's put in that cost price. So the cost price was what, $4.01, right? And then we got 20% off minus 20%. So about 320. That's roughly, yeah, about 320, right? Currently Buybox in 1457, profit in 452, 141% ROI. Amazing. And as you can see, when doing FBA, everything is calculated for you. The referral fees, FBA costs is automatically coming out. So when you ask these questions, what's my profit? It does everything for you. I can't make it up. Next, scroll down to your keeper graph. And when I look at the keeper graph for the last 30 days, I just look for just pretty much stability, not too many decreases. As we can see, looking at this chart, this is a great keeper chart. We started at $9.97 for the buy box, $11.25, increased $12, increased again at $14.57, then dropped down to $12.62. So we're gonna just go with $14.57. That was a couple days ago, right? And that's currently the buy box right now. So we currently at 1457. We're looking at that offer count, just looking for plenty of movement on here. You know, a decreasing means a good thing. If the offer count is decreasing, that means that the product is selling. Sellers are being sold out, you know? So this is a great example of an offer count, a good offer count. Come down to your Buybox winner history for the last 30 days. Just look for, you know, I like to keep it simple. Look for a variety of different colors. Make sure that everyone is getting a piece of the pie. I typically want a seller to be under 50%. So they had 62%, but they pretty much sharing the Buybox. You know, 16%, that's pretty high in the last 30 days. 10% is dope. 3%, amazing. Everyone's pretty much getting a piece of the pie. So Buybox winner, look for a variety of different colors. But this is an amazing product. Good profit margins, good sales. We have another product that's Mexican enchilada sauce that's currently on Heb. BSR 37K. It's in the top 1% of the category. Selling can be purchased it for $518 and currently Buyboxing at $14.15. All right, top 0%, 36K, sells roughly 50 times a month. So that cost price was $518, right? Our max cost, that's the max you should be paying to meet the profit margins you have set up in your settings, right? So $780, we're paying $518, current Buybox $15, profiting $419, 80% ROI. You know, a positive ROI, in my opinion, will always indicate a profitable investment. So I like to be at least 25%. That's the minimum. But if it's higher than that, that's even better, you know? Keep a graph history for that last 30 days. Been anywhere from $9 to $14.99, $14.34, $14.32. So that's how I price this product. Looking at mostly the last week for real. So I do anywhere from 14 to about 15ish. So where we at now? $15. That sounds about right. Offer count, good. Scroll down to that Buybox winner. The last 30 days, just look for a decent amount of colors that shows you everyone is getting a piece of the pie, you know? Sandwich collection, 33%, that's dope. 26%, that's great. 17%, that's awesome. 14%, that's great. You know, 4%, it's amazing. So another example of a winning product. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm not going to give y'all a whole another example. So another example of a winning product. I'm not going to talk too much and go into detail. I try to break this stuff down in the most concise way possible because I want to make it easy for people to understand and stuff like that. So plus, yeah, I ain't about to make something that can be broken down in 5 minutes into like a 15, 20 minute, 30-minute video, where the case may be, you know, in and out. This next product we're looking at is these Dashing Diva Gloss Nail Strips that we can find on JCPenney. Current BSR 93K, top 0% of the category. You can get it for $809. Currently Buyboxing at $19.24. We got 14 people selling it. Profiting roughly $354, 37% ROI. So let's check it out. Go to JCPenney and verify. Always verify. And this also has variations. So multiple variations. You have to just find the one that you saw on Nepeto, which is this one, I believe, right? Yep. So can get it for $809 with code Toffee. So go back and activate that cash back there. So pull it up in Nepeto. Search in Nepeto. All right, so it sells roughly 50 times a month for this variation here. So we put with that code 809, right? Currently Buyboxing at $19.25, profiting $5, 502, 62% ROI, which is amazing. Always remember, everything is calculated for you. Referral fees and FBA costs if you want to do FBA, right? Amazing. Keep a graph for the last 30 days, looking very amazing. So we was at 1985, dropped to $16, $19 roughly, $20.99 on the 12th, and then $29.99 again on the 16th, which is like a couple days ago, right? So that's how I price this product. I'd be anywhere from 16 to 20, $21, you know. So profiting $574, 70% ROI. Amazing. Offer count, just look for continuous movement. Biggest thing is when looking at the offer count, try not to have like a flat line. You know, that's basically just like it's just dead. The listing's dead. You know, nothing's really going on. Always look for movement on the offer count. That's how I put it, you know. Buybox analysis for the last 30 days. you know, try to have a seller under 50%, 51%. But as we see, there's been a lot of Buybox share going on. You know, they won 16% of the time. They won 10% of the time. This is all, everyone's doing pretty good. 8% of this product, 7%, you know, 3%. So we're looking at this Buybox winner history chart. Just try not to have one person that has a full complete circle. You know, that just means that they can win the Buybox 80% of the time, 90% of the time, or 100% of the time. That's something you wouldn't really want to look into unless you just want to undercut them and, you know, just want to make some fast sales. But, you know, be my guest. But another great product, though, utilizing the Nepeto software. This is a very great software. This is a very great software. It is not free. You will have to get a subscription for this. Want to cut down on retail, or you're having trouble finding profitable products, this will be your best friend. The link will be posted down in the description. So if y'all learned something from this video, give me a like, comment, share, subscribe, and see y'all on the next one. Peace.